about the man, and he knew every single thing. He knew every single fact, the figure, every single quote, but there was just a stupid thing about the man. I saw the other man just the other day again, but he wasn't on his own, he was walking with a friend, and I knew he wasn't nuts about it, I don't know what he said. Soon the man who knew the most of all was clutching at his head, and I ran over to the man to say what's the meaning about him. He began to cry and wail, he began to lie, but he said, wouldn't you believe it's time everything has changed? Once I knew everything.
Don't break my strings, man, come on. Right?
Why not? Because
Big
Bird is blue in Holland. Big Bird is blue in Holland. Big Bird is blue in Holland.
And he's yellow everywhere else.
Every fucking world, the whole motherfucking world. Well, I couldn't believe what the man had just said, and I tried to understand, but it was fucking with my head. There's no way that's true, I cried. There's no way in hell. There was another bit that rhymed with that, but I forgot the motherfucker.
Shit.
What the fuck's that smell?
I looked up.
I turned around much quicker than I ever had before, and I saw a smelly German man standing on the wall.
Why did you request this song? We don't know this song.
You wrote it.
Shit. He wrote it, I didn't know.
He stared me down, he tied me up, and then began to bellow. I don't believe a word you say, cause Big Bird's always yellow. Except
in Holland?
Because
it's fucking blue in Holland.
Because Big Bird is blue in Holland. Big Bird is blue in Holland. Big Bird is blue in Holland. And his name is Pino. Fucking kind of name is Pino. It's no world song. Big Bird is blue in Holland.
Big
Bird is blue in Holland.
Pino is blauw in Nederland.
Big Bird is blue in Holland. The Norwegians, the Dutch are the two most ridiculous races I've ever had the experience of meeting my whole fucking world. I've travelled almost every continent there is.
Oh, hij is dat.
That was my song.